I don't know what it is. Alright guys, what is going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cast to Catch. And we've got the man himself out here, Mr. Creek Fishing Adventures. We're gonna hit the little pigeon, which is a little muddy today, but hey, that's okay. I'm just gonna say it's gonna be the battle of the Hellgrammites. I'm using a BassPro brand and he uses his good old Nico brand. Did I say that right? Yeah. Nico brand. Give you a little what I'm throwing today.
A little Hellgrammite duel.
Bam, there's mine. It's got, I think it's called like moon juice or something like that, something weird. And then I'll show you his secret sauce. You probably don't like it, but boom. I did notice that his probably is a lot darker. We'll probably get bit a lot more because of watercolor, but we're gonna see how it goes. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's get it. All right guys, the journey has begun. We got about a little 3-4 hour trip. It's not too big. Hopefully we can catch some smallies. I'm going to go ahead and switch this out. Good old spinner bait. So John messaged me, I think it was Sunday or Monday, and just said, hey, I'll be up in your area. We're going to get together and fish a little pigeon. And I definitely will never pass up an opportunity to fish. So I told him, yeah, we'd get together and do something. Planned it out for today because the river was a whole lot muddier than what it has been. But it's actually been a while since I got out here on the little pigeon. Needless to say, I'm super excited about this trip. Even if I don't catch a fish, hopefully I do. I'll be excited. I love fishing. But I did not come prepared. None of my rod and reels are set up. So I've got to kind of do that as I go. Two baits that I kind of throw everywhere that are easy to convert to the river is a paddle tail, and then the Ned Rig setup, which I use for Hellgrammites as well. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Keep digging. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, not a bad one. He's probably 12, 13 inches. Not too bad. There's another one. Little guy. But we'll take him. We'll call him Daisy Dink. Little guy. Dink drop. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. I don't know what it is. What is that? It's a turtle.
It's a turtle?
I caught a turtle on the Hellgrammite.
No way.
I got his shell, dude. I swear.
I was like, that dude is going down.
Oh, it just got hooked in my transducer. How do you foul hook a turtle?
Come on.
Yeah, he came off. Nah. Climb them trees. Just climb them trees.
Hey, get in there with this.
You gotta save lures at all costs. Oh yeah, got a tiny one. Oh yeah.
Talking about, this is the spot where it begins. We've been just passing time till now.
Dink drop.